Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi again, everyone. How are you today? Okay, now let's continue to our next topic. Okay, in the previous meeting, we have already discussed about simple past, yeah, and how to express actions which happen in the past, and the verb we must use when you want to express activity in the past, as well as the negative and the interrogative form of activities which happened in the past or situation in the past. So now we are going to discuss still related to simple past, but this one will be more on you see how to express ac- activities which happen in the same time in the past. How to express activity which happened in the past. Okay, how to express activity which happened in the past while there are another activities which also happen in the past. So we call this present simple and past progressive. Yeah, simple present and past progressive. So this one past progressive and simple past and past progressive. Okay. Well, now here we go. Let's start first. Okay. Yeah. Are you familiar with past progressive? Okay, we know simple past. We have already learned simple past. We use verb to, yeah. When it is regular, we add the ending ed. But if it is irregular, yeah, you have to remember like go, went, gone, and then sing, sang, sang, swim, swam, swam, drink, drank, drank, and so on. How about past progressive? Nah, kalau we have present progressive, we use to be, am, is, are, right? Nah, while past progressive, we use the be past, okay, which is was and were. Okay, so let's look at the example. Sarah, blah 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 blah. Sarah chopped vegetables when she blah 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 her hand. What do you think? Nah, Sarah was chopping vegetables when she cut her hands. Nah, jadi in bahasa Indonesia kita menggunakan simple past or past progressive ini ketika kita ingin mengungkapkan atau menyampaikan aktivitas atau situasi yang terjadi secara bersamaan di masa lampau. Jadi ada kegiatan di masa lampau yang sedang kita kerjakan dan dia itu terinterrupt ya atau terpotong dengan aktivitas yang lain. Nah, untuk structure itu pasti pasangannya past progresif lalu simple past atau simple past dulu baru past progresifnya. Yang jelas secara struktur ketika kita ingin mengungkapkan aktivitas yang terjadi secara bersamaan di masa lampau, ada dua kejadian atau lebih yang terjadi secara bersamaan di masa lampau, kita menggunakan simple past and past progressive. Okay, for example, Sarah was chopping vegetables when she cut her hand. Was chopping vegetables when she cut her hand. Nah, ada kata was chopping di sini. Ya, Sarah sedang memotong-motong sayuran ketika dia memotong tangannya. Maksudnya ketika dia melukai tangannya. Nah, jadi kita itu sedang apa, kemudian ada aktivitas lain yang terjadi di waktu itu. Okay, for example, I was taking a bath when you called me last night. Nah, okay. Misalnya, saya sedang mandi ketika kamu nelpon tadi malam, atau saya sedang tidur ketika kamu datang. Nah, oke, jadi ada kata sedang, satunya sedang terjadi, dan ada kegiatan lain yang menginterrupt ya, atau terjadi atau datang secara bersamaan ketika suatu aktivitas itu sedang dikerjakan. Oke? Nah, how about this? It blah 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 begin to rain while we walk home. Yang mana? Ya, it began to rain while we were walking home. Nah, persoalan kapan pakai was, kapan pakai were ini udah Miss jelaskan ya di meeting sebelumnya. Kalau subjeknya tunggal with was, when subject plural we use were, oke? Jadi hari mulai hujan ketika kami sedang berjalan pulang ke rumah, oke? Nah, oke, next. Luke blah 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 score a goal while he plays soccer. Nah, pokoknya pasangannya itu past progressive and simple past. Ya, Luke scored a goal while he, very good. He was playing soccer. Number 4, the fans stand up and cheer when their team won. Yeah, the fans stood up and cheered when their team won. Okay. Kendra, blah, 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 not hear her phone. Nah, she sleep when you call. What do you think? Kendra? Yeah, didn't hear her phone. See? She was sleeping when you called. Ya, jadi di sini past, ini past continuous and past tense. Okay. Alright. This is the explanation ya. The past progressive expresses an activity that was in progress. You see? Past progressive expresses an activity that was in progress or was occurring or was happening at a particular time in the past. Ya. At a particular in the past. Jadi dia itu terjadinya di waktu khusus, waktu tertentu di masa lampau. Jadi dia sedang terjadi di masa lampau. Oke, for example. Dan ini yang paling penting juga at a particular time in the past. Jadi di sebuah waktu spesifik di masa lampau. For example, I sat down at the dinner. Okay, I sat down at the dinner table at 6 p.m. yesterday. I finished my meal at 6:30 p.m. So I was eating dinner between 6 o'clock and 6:30. Okay. Well, next. In example B, I was sleeping at 9 last night. Sleeping began before 9. Was in progress at that time and probably continued. Okay. Nih, I was sleeping at 9 last night. Berarti dia ini, saya tidur sebelum jam 9. Aktivitas tidurnya itu mulai tidurnya karena ketika jam 9 itu ya mungkin saya ke kamarnya itu setengah 9 gitu ya. Jadi makanya saya the activity itu mulainya itu sebelum jam 9. Oke. Jadi ketika jam 9 itu dia in progress, sedang terjadi ya. Next, during dinner Sam was checking social media. During dinner Sam was checking social media. You see? Look at this. During dinner, Sam was checking social media. Now look at this. The simple past is also correct ya. Nih. During dinner, Sam was checking social media. The simple past is also correct. During dinner, Sam checked media. What does it mean? Nah, artinya he didn't continually check it. Dia nggak selalu terus-menerus ngecek ya. Use of progressive emphasis that the activity is continuing in the past. Okay? Now let's look at where are you going? Up. Okay. Let's look at this, okay? Yeah, this one, simple past versus past progressive, ya. Simple past and past progressive, okay? This one is past progressive, ya. Jadi aktivitasnya itu sedang terjadi di masa lampau. Jadi if you want to express activity which happened in the past, secara di waktu yang spesifik, ya. Jadi secara struktur kalian wajib menggunakan subjek, to be pastnya was, were, and then verb ing, okay? Nah, next, let's look at simple past versus past progressive. The simple past is used to talk about an activity or situation that began and ended at a particular time in the past. Okay, for example, yesterday, last night, 2 days ago, or in 2004. Okay, for example, Maria walked downtown yesterday. I slept for 8 hours last night. Nah, ini simple past. Sedangkan past progressive is used to emphasize the duration of an activity in progress in the past. Look at this emphasis, dia menekankan the duration of an activity in progress in the past. Okay? For example, during the flight, selama penerbangan, during the flight, the person next to me was snoring loudly. Nah, selama penerbangan, orang yang duduk di sebelah saya itu sedang mengorok, ya, mengorok dengan keras. Ini snoring artinya mengorok. Tidur itu, ya pokoknya keras banget, ya. Oke, nggak kebayang deh nggak nyamannya gimana, karena kalau di pesawat kan sebelahan banget tuh. Kadang pundak ketemu pundak, lengan aja bersentuhan sama lengan, saking nggak ada jaraknya, ya. Nah, the person was snoring from the beginning of the flight until the end. Nah, itu. Jadi maksud kalimat ini adalah during the flight, the person next to me was snoring loudly. Nah, it means the person was snoring from the beginning of the flight until the end. Oke, itu artinya. Jadi mulai dari terbang sampai selesai penerbangan pun dia ngorok terus, tidur aja orangnya. Oke, nah begitu ya. Itu tentang simple past and present progressive. Nah, ketika dia dalam kalimat tuh sering gandeng. Jadi kalau dalam kalimat nggak boleh satunya simple past, satunya past progressive, satunya present progressive. Atau misalnya satunya past progressive, pasangannya kalian buat present simple, tuh nggak boleh secara struktur, oke? Secara struktur salah, secara makna pun salah, ya. Misal, I was cooking yesterday when you come. Pakai verb 1 nggak boleh, harusnya pakai came, ya, verb 2. Oke, very good. Next. For example, ya, the bus drove by. Oke. Edgar was running when the bus drove by. Oke, lewat. Was running, oke. He was running when the bus was drove. Boleh. Coba kita lihat secara struktur. The bus drove by and then Edgar was running when the bus drove by. He was running when the bus drove by. Okay. Another example. They were eating when I got home. Okay, when I got home, they were eating when I got home. Miss, boleh nggak dibalik di depan? Boleh. When I got home, they were eating. Okay, you see? Now look at this. Edgar was running when the bus drove by and then they were eating when I got home. It's past progressive namanya, ya. Lihat tuh secara struktur dan kata kalimat. Nah, ini verb ori-nya harus ditambahkan ending i, kemudian ditambahkan be past di depannya. Action in progress was or were first plus verb ing. Okay, or look at this. When the bus drove by, Edgar was running. The bus drove while Edgar was running. Nah, guys, when sama while ini sering sekali muncul atau digunakan di past progressive. Ya, ketika kita menyampaikan dua aktivitas yang terjadi bersamaan di masa lampau, ini sering sekali muncul when sama while. Nah, maknanya apa? When itu artinya at that time, waktu itu, saat itu, sedangkan while during that time. Oke, during itu berarti ketika selama kurun waktu itu ya. For example nih, when the bus drove by, Edgar was running. The bus drove by while Edgar was running. Nah, kalau mau dilihat secara struktur, sering sekali klausanya when itu ketika kita menggunakan when, pasangannya dia simple present. Oke, simple past. Ya. Nah, sedangkan while itu sering sekali pasangannya adalah past progresif. Ya, past progresif atau past continuous. Nah, gitu. Jadi kalau mau pakai while klausanya kita gandengkan dengan past progresif, sedangkan when kita gandengkan dengan verb past, verb to. Oke, drove. Right. How about negative sentence? Nah, it's very easy. But for past progressive, you just need to add not between be and the verb ing. Ya, gampang. Or if it is you want to make it contraction, you can shorten it become wasn't. Nah, or were not reading become they weren't reading. So if the subject plural, you use were. If the subject singular and I, you use was. Oke, okay? Jadi tinggal tambahkan aja, not selipkan antara be sama verb ing-nya. How about question? Question ya, it's also simple. You just need to, seperti simple present tense ya, cuma simple present tense kan terjadinya di masa sekarang. Kalau past progressive past simple progressive, kalau past progressive itu terjadinya di masa lampau. Nah, you need to move was and were before the subject. Ya, misalnya was, oh ini salah ya ini. Ini harusnya was, I, she, he talking. Ini were, you, we, they talking. Ini salah ya guys. Nah, how about if the short answer you can simply say yes, I was, atau yes, you were. If it is negative, no, she wasn't, or no, they weren't. Okay. Now guys, let's do this exercise. Read each sentence. Which activity happened first, do you think? John was cooking dinner when I arrived. Which activity happened first? Was cooking or arrived? Yeah, was cooking. Second, which activity happened first? Landed or raining? When the plane landed, it was raining. Raining first or landed first? Yeah, raining first. Next, we were watching a movie when the power went out. Which activity first? When or we're watching? Yes, we're watching. Next, we ate dinner early last night. Then we watched a movie. Now, which verb come first? Which activity? Watch a movie or ate dinner? Yeah, ate dinner. Next, when the teacher walked into the room, everyone was talking. Which one? Everyone was talking, or the teacher walked into the room? Yeah, was walking. The teacher walked into the room. Everyone put their phones away. Which one? Which activity first? Everyone put their phone or walked into the room? Yeah, the teacher walked into the room first. Okay. Now guys, now can you choose the simple past and past progressive? Beth was dancing when she hurt or when she was hurting her ankle. Ankle ini apa namanya nih? Mata kaki ya? Bukan. Ya. Which one? Simple past or past progressive? Yeah, hurt. How about number 2? You were texting or texted while I was waiting for you? Yeah, you were texting while I was waiting for you. Number 3. Which one? Harry worked or Harry was working at a bank when the first he met his wife? Yeah, was working. And before, I didn't hear or I wasn't hearing the phone rang. I slept or I was sleeping when you called. Which one is the correct answer? Yeah, I didn't hear. Remember, after didn't must be followed by verb base, kata kerja dasarnya, verb ori-nya, and yeah, I was sleeping when you called. Number 5, we drove or we were driving. Hmm? Drove or were driving? Yeah, we're driving. Okay. Now, guys, actually, okay, say what you see. Yeah. Actually, this picture is used for 3 others, but because we are not in live in Zoom, so I will skip it. Okay, well, that's all about past progressive. Okay, well, hold on, give me a moment. Well, guys, that's all about the past progressive. Okay, so for the exercise, please check the PDF in our PDF that I have already shared and do the exercise there. Okay, well, bye for now. Bye for this session. Okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.